We are officially in that week between Christmas and New Year's when nobody knows what day it is, and we are gonna make a healthy salad today because let's face it, we can all use our greens. Today we're making a spinach and arugula salad. This is really delicious, perfect for New Year's Eve parties or New Year's Day. You guys will love this one, so let's get started. For the salad, we just need really simple ingredients. We've got some arugula, we have baby spinach. We've also got some glazed candied pecans. I actually made these over Christmas, but you can just make them you can get them from the bag too at the grocery store. And then we've got some red onion, cranberries, some bacon, and Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna be topping this with a really yummy honey mustard dressing. Next, we're gonna transfer our bacon into a skillet over medium heat. If it starts to burn, you can drop the heat a little bit. We wanna cook this until it's nice and crispy, about 7 to 10 minutes, and then just transfer it onto a paper towel lined plate to remove that extra grease. Next, we're just gonna whip up a really simple honey mustard dressing. We've got some mayonnaise. We're gonna add in honey, and all of the ingredients are linked in the description. Next, we're gonna add in a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then we've got a little bit of sweet paprika, some salt and pepper, and just a touch of lemon juice. Then we're just gonna whisk this until it's nice and combined. The honey mustard and bacon just pair really nicely together. Next, we're ready to assemble our salads. We're gonna be using about a half of a 5-ounce package of baby spinach and the same amount of baby arugula. You can definitely use more of one or the other if you like it better. I like both, so I'm gonna just add about half of each of these. And this is gonna be about enough for 4 people. Next, I like to go ahead and just pour my dressing over the top. Then it's time to top our salad with all of our ingredients. We've got our crispy bacon. We're gonna do some red onion. You wanna slice this really nice and thin. Then we're gonna add in our Parmesan cheese shavings. You can just shave this with a vegetable peeler. Then we've got our dried cranberries, and my favorite part, the pecans. That's it, we're all done with the spinach and arugula salad. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for new recipes every single week. I hope everyone has a great New Year's Eve and New Year, and I will see you in 2024. Bye.